Hi, children. My name is Princess Enyinna-Okoro, the founder and lead instructor at Kids Igbo class, where we teach children from different countries the Igbo language. You're welcome to my channel. We decided to bring the message of the Igbo language to YouTube so that you can also learn more about the Igbo language. For our very first video, we will be learning the basic foundation. Can you guess? Oh, I know you know it. It's in the description already. We're learning the alphabets in Igbo, how they sound. We're also going to learn how to make words with some of these alphabets in Igbo. We're going to learn simple sentences, simple words and phrases in Igbo. Do you know what? By the end of this video, you can start speaking some phrases of Igbo language immediately. Are you excited? I am. All right, let's go. All right, children, you're welcome to class. So now we're going to learn all of these alphabets like we already discussed. But first of all, we'll take a quick look at the entire alphabet. We're going to have a rundown of all the alphabets together before we start learning them individually. Now, let's go. Are you ready? Now, say after me, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, R, G, H, I, E, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, Ng, Ng, Ny, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, O, V, W, Y, Z. Now that's very good. Let's take it one by one. The first sound we're looking at today is the A as in aha. A as in aha. Now this girl, aha means name. Name. So we can say Ahambo Chioma. It means my name is Chioma. Ahambo Chioma. My name is Chioma. So you can tell me what your name is. Type it in the comments and say Ahambo Esther. Ahambo God's will. Whatever your name is, okay? And then I'm going to see that you wrote it. Next is the B sound. B as in Bia. B as in Bia. Bia means come. We see this hand signaling to someone to come. That hand is saying Bia eba. Come here. Bia eba. Come here. That's the B sound, okay? Next is the Chi sound. Chi as in chota. Chi as in chota. To chota something is to look for something and find it. Okay? So we can easily say chotaya. Chotaya. Chotaya means find it. Maybe that's why this woman is bending down, looking for something around the bed and all of that. Chotaya. Find it. Very good. Next is the D sound. D as in debe. Debe. To debe is to keep. To debe is to keep. So when I say debe, I mean keep. If I now say debeya, I mean keep it. So maybe that's why this person is trying to keep this on the desk, because I just said debeya. Okay. Next, the next sound is the E sound. E as in efere. E as in efere. Okay? This is a plate and this hand holds the plate. So we can say nke a bụ efere. This is a plate. Nke a bụ efere. This is a plate. Okay? Next is the F sound. F as in furefu. F as in furefu. When I say something furefu, I mean it's got lost. Look at this child crying. Could it be that he got lost? Or maybe he lost something. So we can say, oh furefu. Did you see that? Oh furefu. Furu efu. Okay? Moving on. Next is the gi sound. Gi as in ga. Gi as in ga. So I can say ga means to go. If I say ga rienri, it means go and eat. Ga rienri, go and eat. And maybe that's why this child is currently eating something. Maybe that's why the child is eating. Next is the we sound. We as in banye. To banye is to put on or to pour something in. But in this case, we're looking at it as putting on something. We can see this boy trying to put on the lights. So we say banyoku. We tell him banyoku, so that's why he even went to put it on, right? If I want to tell you to put on the light, I just tell you banye oko. Put on the lights. Is that okay? Good job. Next is the ri sound, as in rota, rota. To rota in this sense is to understand. Irota madu is to understand. Okay? If I want to know if you understand me, I will tell you irotaram. That means, do you understand me? Irotaram. So maybe that's what this woman is telling this child. Do you understand me? Igotaram. I'm asking you to. Igotaram. I know you do. Okay. So the next one, we see the gui sound. Gui as in guam. Guam. Guam means tell me. Guam means tell me. So if I want you to tell me something, I will just tell you guam. And I'll tell you what I want you to say. For example, these boys may have been in class. Maybe these two children met each other and then they're just trying to talk. And then one child says, Guam ahage, tell me your name. Maybe they met in school for the first time and they're trying to get introduced. So they say, Guam ahage, tell me your name. Beautiful. Okay. Now you can practice. Say, Guam ahage. Good. And clap for yourself. Very good. Now let's move forward. Moving on. The next is the he sound. He as in horror. So horror is to choose. Maybe you have two things and you want someone to horror. Horror means choose. So for instance, I can tell you horror nke I choro. Horror nke I choro. Which one do you want? Choose. Do you want the apple or do you want this snack here? Which one do you want? Horror nke I choro. Inugo. Now let's move. Kaiga nozo. The next is the E sound. I as in iri. Iri means 10. Iri means 10. Now, if I look here, I can see there are 10 stars. If I want to say there are 10 of them, I will just say, ha di iri. There are 10 of them. Ha di iri. There are 10 of them. Iri. The next is the A sound, the long A. The long E for words like eba, eba. So you see this place is like a forest, a wilderness, and I can just say nkabo eba. This is a forest. Nkabo Epa. This is a forest. Moving on. Next, we see the G sound. G sound. The G sound here is for words like jisike, jisike. Did you see what we've just done? Jisike. Take, for instance, you see someone like this girl. She's doing the laundry. We can tell her jisike, which means well done. Jisike means well done. So for instance, I'm teaching, I'm giving you this video class, and then you can tell me Jisike onyankuzi. Well done, teacher. Yes, thank you. So you're learning something nice. I want you to like this video, share this video, and subscribe so many other people can also get to watch it. Okay, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can always know when I post. Next is the ki sound. Ki as in kedu. Kedu is what we say when we want to ask someone how they are. I can just tell you kedu, like this man says. He's asking this boy, kedu, how are you? And the boy can say, oh, dimma. I just gave you an extra. Well, our focus is on kedu, but I just thought to add the extra of what the reply should be. Next time someone asks you kedu, you will say odima. They can even ask you kedu ka imere. You will say odima. Is that okay? Good job. Now let's move forward. Next we see is the pe sound. Pe as in bo. Bo means call. Call. To call someone is boya. So for example, I can call you your name. I can just say Dara, and you come. Or I can just call your name. I say Obina. I can also call you on my phone. All right, like this person is doing right here. We can say boya, call him. Boya, call him or call her. Moving on. The next sound we're looking at is the kwe sound. Kwe as in kwose. Kwose. Kwose means stop. Maybe that's why this woman has the stop sign. And she says, kwose ebaho. Stop there. Kwose ebaho. Stop there. Kwose. You've learned it right. Good. Clap for yourself. Okay, next is the li sound. Li as in leanya. To leanya is to look. To leanya is to look. So I can say, this boy, I see him using his binoculars to look at something. I can say, oh nelanya, he is looking. Oh nelanya, he is looking. Did you get that? Very good. Okay, moving on. We see the next sound is the me sound. I use this word in words like mma. I use this sound rather in words like mma. Mma here means knife. An example sentence is mma de nko. Mma de nko. This knife is sharp. Did you see that? Very well. Mma de nko. This knife is sharp. Next is the ni sound. We see it in words like nne. Nne means mom. So you see this boy and his mom. The boy may feel so happy his mom is carrying him, and he can say, Obo nem. Obo nem. She is my mom. Obo nem. She is my mom. The next sound is the ng sound. Ng as in ngo. We see it in words like ngo. To ngo is to drink. I can just say ga ngo miri. Ga ngo miri. Go and drink water. And this woman here is already drinking her water. So you too may need to drink water after this video. Okay? Ga ngo miri. The next is the we sound. We as in nwata. Nwata is a child. I can just say nwata maramma. It's more like saying this child is fine. If it's a boy, I'm saying this child is handsome, this boy is handsome, or this girl is beautiful. Nwata mara mma. Nwata mara mma. Very, very good. Okay, now let's move forward. The next sound is the nye sound. Nye as in nyim. Nye as in nyim. Nyim. Nyim means give me. So this woman stretches out her hand and she says, Nyemia, give it to me. Give it to me. Nyemia. So you want to collect a toy from your brother or sister, you can say, Nyemia. Nyemia. Can you say that? Good. Okay. Next is the O sound. O as in oroma. Oroma means orange or oranges. I can just say oroma dilto. Oranges are sweet. Oroma dilto. Oranges are sweet. Good. Okay. Next sound is the O sound. O as in ogwo. O as in ogwo. Ogwo here means your medicine, the one you drink, your medicine. Okay, that's what we mean when we say ogwo. For example, somebody here, we see this person, this hand, this person giving this person their medicine, and they're just trying to say, were ogwo gi. Take your medicine. Were ogwo gi. Take your medicine. Oh, here we have the P sound. P as in pota. Pota is come out. That's what it means. It means come out. So maybe this person goes to see their friend and they're like, you've been indoor all day. Pota, pota, come out. And then that's why they're leading them out. So pota means come out. Okay. Next is the re sound. Re as in rie. To rie is to eat. To eat. Rie. Rie nrigi. Eat your food. Rie nrigi. Eat your food. So that's why this child is trying to eat his food. So how about you? Rie nrigi, eat your food too. Okay, the next is the C sound. C here as in sa. To sa is to wash. Sa, wash. So you see this boy? I can tell this boy, ga, sa, efere. We've learned that ga means go, sa is wash, efere is plates. So that means go and wash plates. You see him? He's washing the dishes, washing the plates. So that is ga, sa, efere. Next is the she sound. We see it in words like oshi. We see it in words like oshi. Oshi is like when someone is stealing, like a thief has just come to steal. Like this thief right now. He's running away. He doesn't know the camera has captured him. We just say, oh, Bonyoshi, he is a thief. Oh, Bonyoshi. He is a thief. Catch him. Oh, Bonyoshi. I was just joking. All right, next is the T sound. T as in ta. Ta. Ta means today. Ta means today. I could just say ta Sunday. Today is Sunday. Ta Sunday. Today is Sunday. Did you get that? Yes. Okay, next is the U sound. U as in ubo. Ubo is the farm. All right. For example, we see this man walking on the farm. He can say, Anom nubo. Anom nubo. I am at the farm. Okay. Beautiful. Anom nubo. I'm at the farm. The next sound we look at here is the O sound. O as in Olo. Olo. This is somebody's house. The person who lives here can say, Olo means house, okay? And this is somebody's house. The person who lives here can say, Anom nolo. I'm in my house, or I'm at home. Anom nolo. Anom n'ụlọ. Good. Very, very beautiful. Okay. The next sound we're looking at is the V sound. In some dialects, we find this sound because they use it to pronounce words like mvo. Mvo here means comb. So I can say nke a bụ mvo. This is a comb. Nke a bụ mvo. This is a comb. Next is the we sound. We see it in words like weta. Weta means to bring. To bring. So maybe I tell this boy, I tell him, wetaram akwụkwọ ndị ahụ. Wetaram akwụkwọ ndị ahụ. It means bring me those books. Now let's practice it again. Wetaram akwụkwọ ndị ahụ. Akwụkwọ is books, and then wetaram means bring me. So that means bring me those books. Did you get that? Clap for yourself. Excellent. Next, we move to the yi sound. Yi as in ya. Ya means him or her. When you're referring to someone, you want to say, it's him or it's her. Like this girl is pointing to this girl and she's saying, it's her. Oh, boya. Oh, boya. Maybe her mommy is asking her, who messed up the living room? And she wants to say, oh, boya, it's her. I'm just joking. Okay. The last sound for today is the Z sound. We see it in words like zoo. In English, Z-O-O would have meant zoo. But here, we use it to say zoo, to go and hide. So maybe these children are playing hide and seek, and then this one is hiding. She's standing rather to catch. She tells the other children, Gazo, 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 go and hide. How was that? Very exciting. I bet you learned a new thing or two. Did you? Write the sentence or the word or the phrase you learned in the comments, and I'm going to see that this video was very valuable to you. Okay? And if you want to get a copy of the material we have just studied, all right, so you can practice on your own over and again, find the link in the description. If you also want to enroll in our group classes that commence in January, find the link in the description. That will be all for this week. I will see you in the next video, but don't stop speaking Igbo. Till I see you next week. Bye.